Click like if you like a pistol. This one is, I think you can add an extra bullet there. And then strike a light there. So you can tilt and strike a light. It says nerf there. So it's fire strike a light. And it's got a laser there. And you press that button to make the level a little bit. It won't work, so I've got batteries in. And that's a little back. Let me go and get a bullet. I'm back with a black dot. It'll go a lot faster. Hear that bang? That's because I hit the cardboard box. Oh, that's the end of this video.